Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I'm going to push traffic to my Skool community. Alright, so primarily what I'm doing right now is YouTube. I'm trying to do YouTube long form videos, and then I'm trying to use Instagram as well, a little bit here and there. I'm focusing more on YouTube as of now. I'm trying to put out more long form educational content that is in relation to my Skool community. In case you guys don't know right now, my Skool community as of now, it is about One Person Business Academy. I mean, that's the name, but it is mainly about building a one-person business online. Because like I said, I've already tried so many different kinds of online business models, and I really feel that the other business models, right, it's just like, it doesn't fulfill you. That's one thing. Does it pay? Yes, it does, right? It has the potential to do it, but it's just something that I do not see myself doing forever, right, for the long run. Because if you guys want to do like the make money online thing, right, if you guys want to do this for long term, you guys want to do this ideally for as long as possible, right, doing those kind of, I want to use the word trendy, but for some people it might be like their long term strategy. It might work for them, right? But for me personally, in my own opinion, right, I feel that it's not something that I would want to be doing for the rest of my life. If I were to pursue my life's work, right, let's just put it that way. If I were to do something that is, there is something for me that I can do it for the long term and ideally forever, I wouldn't want to be doing faceless channels. I wouldn't want to be running multiple faceless channels and call it a living, right? I mean, yeah, sure. If it pays, it pays. Good for you. But can you just imagine, like, if anybody were to ask you what do you do for a living, you'll be like, hey, I run faceless YouTube channels for a living. I mean, hey, no hate, right? No hate. If it pays the bills, it pays the bills. Doesn't matter, right? But for me personally, that's what I'm saying. For me personally, I feel like it's not something that I want to exactly associate myself with for the long run, right? I mean, I did that. All these faceless channels before, I did them. It's just that I do not feel that it aligns with me. Let's put it that way. And if you feel that way as well, like it's not just limited to faceless YouTube channels. It can be about anything. Dropshipping, e-commerce. I did that as well, right? I did dropshipping, I did e-commerce, I did print on demand, and then what else did I do? At the top of my head, I can't really remember what did I do. I did theme pages as well, right? YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, things of that nature, right? All those hypey related online business models that all those YouTubers preach, right? You guys already know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's one thing. Then afterwards, I kind of realized that what they're exactly doing, what they're exactly practicing, right, they're just doing one-person business models. They're just talking about what they like, what they enjoy, and then they monetize it. They build a personal brand, in a sense. You want to call it a personal brand, you want to call it a one-person business, it kind of like, it links, right? It actually makes sense together. Some might argue that one-person business is just personal brand, right? It's just another way of framing it. So that's the thing. That's what I'm doing. And I've been watching also many kinds of make money online videos, and I always resonate better with the one-person business. Like, it makes sense, right? That's my banner. As of now, my YouTube channel, that's my banner. The one-person business, it just makes sense. That's what I say on my YouTube banner. It really makes sense, don't you guys think so? Like, this is the whole internet game, right? The whole point of having a personal brand, the whole point of utilizing social media is just to talk about your interests, your goals, your passions, whatever you want to call it, right? Whatever that interests you. That's why they always say that you can do whatever you want now. You guys heard that before, right? You guys can like monetize almost anything in the world. As long as you're smart about it, as long as you are creative about it, make sure you don't do anything dumb, you don't do anything that would sabotage yourself, you can potentially monetize whatever it is that you want to talk about. Seriously. I mean, you guys can just YouTube or Google or search in your favorite social media platforms, right? You guys can just go ahead and search whatever it is that you want, and almost everything, some kind of profile, right, they are selling something already, like they're monetizing it. You guys have to study their funnel, right? You guys have to study their funnel and see what they're actually doing. Or on the other hand is that if you can't monetize, meaning you say that you can't sell anything, right? You can't sell a service, you can't sell a product, you can always just earn off AdSense as well. There's always one thing, right? AdSense and sponsorships as well. And so many people out there are doing it already. They're just doing and talking about whatever it is that they enjoy. You know, they're earning the AdSense money, the advertisement money. If they garner enough views, can be substantial. You can get donations as well, live streaming, you know, things of that nature. You guys already know the biggest names in this industry. So this is just one way, right? One of the many ways that you can make money online. So that's why I really resonate with this. I really think it makes sense. I don't know whether is this convincing enough for you guys, but watch more videos in my channel, of course. Thank you. I'll be posting more about it. More one-person business related videos, right? And like why you should be doing or why you should be pursuing the one-person business instead of the other 100 different kind of online business models. I've already done them, right? That's the thing. I did them. I've done them, and it's not fulfilling. This is just my opinion, like I said. You guys can try it out first as well, right? Maybe you guys don't take my word for it. I'm just some random dude online, right? So try it out. Go and do whatever it is that you want to do first. Try, experiment, test things out. I mean, that's the whole point of life as well, right? To test things out, to try things out, to experiment things, to find the things that you actually like and don't like. And then from there, that's how you know and realize what you want. Not just for online business, right? Dating as well, right? You have to date. I'm not saying date around in that kind of sense, in not in that kind of casual sense. I mean, if that's what you want, sure, go ahead. But you have to date around, see what you actually like and don't like in your significant other, and then that's how you come to a conclusion as to which partner you actually want to end up with, right? That's what I think. Fitness as well, working out. You can try different kinds of workout, try different kinds of diets, you know, see which one fits, see which one you like, see which one you can do for the long term. Longevity, and that's what we're talking about. We want to be doing this for as long as possible. This video kind of turned out to be like an educational video already. Yeah, so the whole point of this video is I want to tell you guys what I'm doing, which is YouTube, right? I want to do this for a long term. So whatever it is that I'm doing right now, it's just YouTube. I want to be making educational content for you guys, and then hopefully can convert you guys to my paid community. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, and that's what I'm aiming towards to right now. Is it working? Well, as of now, not exactly. I'll be honest, not exactly. The members that I had was from the free community back then. I've recently just put on a price tag on it. Yeah, previously it was all from the free community. So this is just a documentation, like I said. I'm just building this Skool community in public, right? That's what I'm doing right now. And if it helps any one of you guys out there, if it makes you guys feel better in any way, shape or form, you're welcome. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see more of. Maybe what kind of help you guys want as well, if I can actually help you guys to my knowledge, in my experience. Yep. Alright, so main thing is use YouTube. That's what they always preach. That's why I'm doing YouTube. I'm focusing on YouTube. And then kind of like insert call to actions through your videos. Maybe in the beginning, the middle and the end. Or maybe just at the end. Or maybe at the beginning, a mixture of everything, right? Whatever that you think that it kind of like blends in well with your videos. For me right now, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to put at the end, and I'm also trying to put in the middle as well, you know, if it fits, right, in accordance. So everything depends on the script that I'm doing. And another thing is that I'm kind of like scripting my videos right now, right? So I'm kind of like experimenting as well, you know, scripted and non-scripted. That's the thing. I'm trying to just go off the cuff, right? Just like rent everything. Like what I'm doing right now is kind of like just renting, right? But in this case, I'm kind of like documenting this journey as well. Yeah, so this is kind of like the non-scripted side of things. And like earlier on, I kind of like unintentionally gave a educational content related video. Yeah, it was unintentional. That's the thing. Yep. Kind of like lost for words right now, but that's basically it, I guess, more or less. Is it all I want to cover? I think so. Yeah. Alright, so that's the thing. Just do your YouTubes and then funnel them through your Skool community. That's one of the easier ways. And of course, there's so many other methods, right? Some of them are like trying to tell you guys to book a call, right? Have a sales funnel, click this link, you know, book a slot in the calendar, things of that nature. There's a lot of kinds, right? But in general, like what I'm doing right now as well, is just put a link in your description box and your comment section, pin the comment, and that's it. Yeah, and some of the top earners in Skool community, they're doing that and they're earning well. They're earning very, very well. 6 digits even per month, 100k per month, 200k per month, 300k a month in monthly recurring revenue. It's crazy, right? It's insane. So I'm trying that route out first, okay? In the future, I might change it up. I don't know. We'll see, right? Everything is an experiment. Alright, so if you want to keep up to date, I don't know, man, click the notification bell. I guess that's what they call it. Click the notification bell, subscribe, like, and click the first link in the description box if you are interested in my paid product, right? So in the background, if you guys can see over here, there's actually my about page of my paid community. Okay, so if you're interested, give it a click and buy if you want to.